Right, I'm just going to show you the forum as well. It actually works really well on Safari or web browser, mobile itself, but there's also a little app. See Discourse Hub on the bottom line there? I'm just going to click on it, and all you've got to do to add it is you would just add your forum. So I would just put the golfmates.com in there and then log in. So I can click on that, and it's going to give me, wants you to sign in. I've been signed out. Got it. Oh. Use poll. Face ID, authorize, and now I've got an app that's going to show up and work within within an app. So if I want to get to my forum, Discourse Hub, and then I can go in, the advert will show up, and is that information. Nick liked your post. If I want to jump around, I can go through. I need to give that guy a category. Golf Mates Germany. I want to go to Golf Mates Germany. I click there. Is the Golf Mates in Germany? Any information? I can click reply. Do whatever I want. I can change my profile, preferences, all my settings, all that sort of information below. Everything within the app that you'll see on what I've shown you all the way through in the forum. Makes it really easy to use, completely free. The app is completely free. All you've got to do is connect your forum to it. Makes it a lot easier to use as well for people on the fly. You can obviously go in and like, reply, everything you've seen. It's just as easy on the app and very easy to set up.